working at clinic, getting treatment during night infections. And a resident here was receiving treatment from medical staff during a resident pneumonia. He was night infected on Sunday, but the family decided that the baby was not to be. But under 7:15, so we ran to the directly at the down here. The blood appeared to see a series of visions all over the week on the equation. There seems to be some debate as to whether the original theory is different from speaking and maybe the exclusive response are the second type. Some believe the result of expulsion appears to be more solitary than physical harm. Some think about the person who through the exclusive response, but there should be punishment to come. Thank you. This is Government and I'm reporting for AS Hotel.
Thank you, this is number 21. And now, the last company, the second number 22.
Reporting for the news of the hour. Woman dies, taking child at side resort. A Russian woman was killed at Sinai Junction Beach Resort while pushing her child out of the path of a 18-wheel trailer truck, report said yesterday. Witnesses said the woman and her father were shopping for fruit at a shop on Sukhumvit Highway, about 100 kilometers southeast of Bangkok, when the 19-month-old daughter ran on the road in front of the truck, the Nation newspaper reported. The woman managed to push the child out of the way before being run over herself. The child was taken to a hospital. The incident took place at about 1 a.m. on Saturday, the report said. Truck driver, Ipasay Kanchilakwadam, 21, told police he was returning to Bangkok after making a delivery in Pattaya when he heard screams and looking in his rear view mirror, saw that he had run over a person. Once again, I am pleased to meet Marie Dimura, saying good morning, everyone.
The new testing competition. In a short while, human rights